Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. And thank you guys for watching us because always we are more and more, and thank you for this. Today a friend asked me to make this dish I never tried. I did a video before. Is a chicken breast pizza. It's different thing, a nice dinner quickly and not too expensive. What we need is just a chicken breast, and later we need some ingredient like pizza, like passata, mozzarella. I'm gonna make like pepperoni with the salami I make with some black olives, but you can make the pizza the flavor you like with the roast vegetable or any pizza you like. What we're gonna do, get ready with a tray to go in the oven to cook like pizza. We're gonna flat bash this chicken breast like easy. I show you the way I make this one. Take this off. If you don't know for how to do this, just ask your butcher and he make for you. Basically butterfly like this. This job almost is done, guys. And with take two bags of plastic, one on the bottom and one on the top, and take something to bash it, and very gentle start bash it very thin, and you're gonna make like raw, like pizza, you know. Take your time. I told you, if you don't know to do this, you can use a different utensil, but when it's ready and the thickness I like, I'm gonna show you, okay? Okay guys, I think I did the thickness I like, very gentle, you know. It's gonna be like this, you know, just to show you something like that, you know. Later, if you like, if happen is a little bit bigger, it's no problem, you know. It's not master chef, we're cooking for the family, but this is very nice. Now, what we're gonna do? The oven is on. I put 220 because this is going in the oven now, okay? Now we do this. A little touch of olive oil on the paper, okay? Just like this. The chicken breast pizza we put on the top here, like this. It's funny, it's very nice. Little bit of pepper if you like. If you don't like, don't put. But I recommend you some salt. Oh, salt and pepper. And now this one go in the oven like this around 10 minutes. Later I'm gonna be more precise, okay? And we gonna top it up with our ingredient and go again in the oven around 5 minutes, okay? The dinner is ready. I show you later. Okay guys, 10 minutes, 220 is half cooked. Now what we're gonna do? We're gonna top it up. Our pizza. This is my passata, a little bit of a passata. Use that, it's like you make a pizza, okay? Yeah, it's enough. Perfettissimo. Now some mozzarella. Look there. How much you like? I like mozzarella. Okie dokie. Now my pepperoni, this salami, I make this salami. You can use everything you like. Very nice. I like with some black olives. Look nice, eh? And now a little touch of oil again. It's done. And now going again in the oven around 5-6 minutes. I'm gonna be precise later, okay? Okay guys, look how beautiful is this chicken breast pizza. Unbelievable. It's first time I make this. It's absolutely stunning. It's exactly like I said, it's 10 minutes first time in the oven, 220, and the 6 minutes for me is done. Now it's time to try this pizza. Oh yeah, it's amazing. Still very hot, but I'm brave man. It's fantastic. Wait 1 second, guys. I have to try with my pepperoni. Look at that. It's absolutely delicious. Guys, what I want to say, try it. It's very different in, the kids maybe like it. And it's ready in 15 minutes. Always guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on channel and check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. We need a lot view and that's it. This is a chicken breast pizza, absolutely amazing and delicious. If you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao!